In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with the archive feature in Yahoo, and we're going to do 3 different ways. Right now, we are in the inbox, and I'm going to just show you how, if I kind of like look at what's in my inbox, I can begin to collect the emails that I would like to put into my archive. So I can just begin to click on them, different emails, and notice when I click on that first email, there's a row of icons at the top that shows up, and I'm just going to start clicking on these different emails that I want to put into the archive. And then I'm just going to go up to the one with the file folder with the horizontal line, and then I'm just going to click on it because that's the archive button. You just click on that, and then it just archives anything that I had selected. Okay, so it's just as simple and easy as that. You probably noticed I had a menu item that came up earlier letting me know I could undo that. I mean, it's gone now, but I could undo that within like 3 seconds, okay? But no worries, because you just go to the left-hand sidebar and you just see where it says archive, and that's where those items are at, okay? So now you see how to archive, multiple items at once and quickly get them to the archive folder, and it's really simple, okay? And now we're going to go back to the inbox. I'm going to show you another way you can do this because everybody likes to do things different ways. So if you want to just do one message at a time, right here, you can just go and just hover over and go over to the 3 dots on the far right-hand side of the message. And when you click on the More button, then there's an archive option right here. So that you can just choose archive, and you can just do one at a time right here if you're the person that just wants to read and archive as you go from within the inbox. The other way you could do this is from within the email. So if I just go in and start reading emails, and I'm right here in the email that I'm reading, then I can now go to the More button at the top, and I can click on the 3 dots. And again, the archive button or the archive item is available for you to archive this item. So just go ahead and click on that, and it'll move this item to the archive folder as well. So I hope these were helpful. There were 3 different ways that you could actually archive an item, and I'll just recap that. From within the inbox, you can select multiple items, and then you can just choose the first icon here in the menu, and it tells me that I'm going to be archiving 3 selected messages. Then you can either go one message at a time to the 3 dots on the same line as the email, click on the More button, choose archive, or from within an email, I can just open that up and I'm reading the email. I go to the 3 dots at the top where the menu bar at the top, click on that and choose archive. So I hope this was a very simple and easy lesson for you to learn how to archive your messages. In the next episode, I'm going to show you what my recommendations are for using this feature. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next episode.